the worst case scenario is something that you have to play out in your head. And that sounds cruel, but we need to make sense of it. This mind of yours is a survival mechanism, so it wants information to make decisions. Ever since you were born, we need information. Who's this person? Is this person friend or foe? Is this safe? Is this not safe? So the mind continuously makes these adjustments to whether this thing is a friend or a foe. Now, something like this happens. Okay. Now you felt helpless. But if you go through the worst case scenario, what would have been the worst end of this? If nobody, if it didn't stop, what would have been the end of this attack, you think? If you had to play out what the worst case scenario would have been for you.
I think I would have, that is now completely the worst. I think I would have been raped maybe and left for dead because it was dark. There's, like I said, there's people, but there's no help. I think I actually would have been raped and left for dead.
Yes. And that's a bad thing to try and go through in your mind. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Okay. But that has happened on this planet so many times, and there's people that have survived it, people that haven't survived it. Okay. Now, if you can go and you sit with that image, all right? If you've been raped and left for dead and you feel helpless, what would be the emotion coming up in that scenario for you? In that worst case scenario. It's a tough one. What would be the emotion?
It's a tough one. I think blame would have, like self-blame would have been there. Sadness, if I survived it, like survivor's guilt.